Hey guys, what's up? I'm Ajaz and welcome to my channel Learn with Ajaz. Please subscribe me and hit the bell icon for more informations. Want to make money, but you're not sure where to start? Don't worry, we've got you covered. And you're not alone. More than 27% of Americans earned extra income from side gigs last year. Making money online is the sweet spot people look for in the gig economy. Whether you aspire to be a six-figure social media influencer, or are just looking to supplement your regular income with some internet gigs, we've found some viable options. Let's get started. The first way is pick up freelance work online. The first one is freelance work. Make money online through websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. These sites offer opportunities to do a variety of freelance jobs, such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry and being a virtual assistant. Fluent in a second language? Check sites such as Gengo or 1 Hour Translation, or drum up business through a site of your own. No matter what kind of freelancing you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work you provide so you know if you're charging too much or too little. Upwork will approve your profile within 24 hours. But keep in mind it can take time to land your first freelance gig. Payment varies by site. On Upwork, you're paid after you and the client review the work, 10 days after the billing period ends. On Fiverr, you're paid when the work order is complete, but you can't withdraw funds for another 14 days. Requirements for creating an account. Upwork requires users to be at least 18. Fiverr sets the age requirement at 13. And freelancer.com requires users to be at least 16. Some sites require you be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident. The second way to make money from home is test websites and apps. Another way to make money from home is on sites like usertesting.com. You get paid for your thoughts on how well, or not so well, certain websites and apps worked. You'll have to pass a short test to be accepted, then you'll be paid $10 for each 20-minute test, which involves a recording and answering 4 follow-up written questions. Or you could earn up to $120 to participate in a video conversation with a customer after your test. You need to know. You typically need to complete a sample test as part of the application process. You will start receiving testing opportunities after your application is approved. The timeline for approval can vary. You get paid 7 days after completing a website or app test. Payment is issued via PayPal. The third way to make money online is pick up tasks on Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you'll be assigned can be tedious, tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price for each task and get to approve the finished product before paying you. That can leave room for scams, so do your research. Join a community like the MTurk Crowd Forum, or the MTurk and Turker Nation subreddits, which can steer you away from shifty dealers. These communities and fellow workers can answer questions and give a realistic idea of how much money you can expect to make. Need to know before start. It's unclear how long it takes Amazon to review your application, but according to the MTurk subreddit, it can take several days to learn if you are approved or denied. After you submit your work, the requester has 30 days to approve it. You can have your earnings deposited into your bank account or put on an Amazon gift card. Requirements. You must be at least 18 to register for Mechanical Turk. You also need an Amazon account to register for Mechanical Turk. The fourth way to make money online is take surveys for money. You can make money from home by taking online surveys, but don't expect to be rolling in the dough. Survey sites don't typically offer a big payoff, and many sites are more useful for earning gift cards than cash. Some of the more popular survey sites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. You need to know before start. You can register with a site and start taking surveys in a matter of minutes. The time it takes to get paid depends on the survey site and how much time you dedicate to taking surveys. Some sites let you cash out only after you hit a minimum earnings threshold. With Inbox Dollars, for example, the threshold is $30 for first-time payments and $10 for additional payments. Other survey sites issue points, which can be redeemed for cash, via PayPal, or gift cards. Requirements. Most survey sites have a minimum age requirement, which ranges from 13 to 18, depending on the site. Individual surveys may have specific requirements. Don't be surprised if you are disqualified from a survey without much explanation. The last but not the least is make money from your blog as an affiliate. If you're a blogger who gets decent traffic, you could make money by joining an affiliate network. Affiliates, that's you, get paid when someone clicks through from the website to the partner site and buys something there. You need to know before starting. First, you need a blog, social media account or other online presence that draws a healthy number of visitors each month. Then, you need to apply for and be approved by an affiliate marketing network like CJ Affiliate, ShareSale, Flex Offers or Amazon Associates. Payment schedules and thresholds vary by affiliate network, but expect to wait at least a month or two for your first paycheck. Amazon Associates pays out earnings 60 days after the end of the calendar month in which they were earned. You must have a balance of at least $10 for earnings to be dispersed. ShareSale disperses earnings on the 20th of each month if you earned $50 or more the previous month. Requirements: a blog, social media account or other online presence that attracts a steady stream of visitors. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.